those dogs, Maya? Are those dogs over there?
That is pretty fucking sexy for sure.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
I think.
What are some cool
Bow, bow. Yo! Terp unboxing review video. Another Terp tee. I've had 2 of these already, but this is like the official review unboxing for the tees. And today, if you checked out my haul, you already know. So make sure to subscribe, like the video to support. I appreciate it. Yes, let's get right into it. And also a preview at the end of my video. If you want to just check out the product, the close-up, high detail, 4K, all that. Yes. Okay, today we got Talking Terps, the beautiful collector box, as you can see. And we got the watermelon tee. They tossed in a fire collectible hand tag. I love this design. It's a nice little Talking Terps design, the same as the one on the back of the shirt. I don't know if they just like took the same design or if it's slightly different. And then I got a really dope postcard. This is actually sick. I think, like I was saying in the haul, I think it's part of like the Rising Petri Dish art print. So that's really sick. I love the design on this. I'm gonna frame this right away. Ooh, super high quality and beautiful art. So I love getting a nice postcard. And then here is the piece that I've been wanting for a minute. The large sold out, so I kind of panicked and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get the medium. Let's go. Let's unbox this and see how it is and make sure it fits good. I already know the medium fits good. So it's just like more fitted instead of like a baggy fit. But that's the thing about the Talking Terps collection is it's designed to be more fitted anyways. So it works. This beautiful dye. It looks like I think is it supposed to like fade together? Yeah, I think the print is supposed to fade together because it looks like the pink is like faded there. And oh, that design on the back, that's beautiful. So fire. It smells a lot like the Kumba. How did it go through the package? Is there a hole in the bag? I don't even think there's a hole in the bag. How did it go through the package? Because there was also incense. I just made the video on this as well. That was part of the unboxing haul. I made a whole separate video on these. I'm going to light them tonight. I'm excited for that. Ooh. This shirt smells like them. So good. Ooh. The only thing is, I guess because it's pre-washed, I thought like the pink and the green would be brighter. But yeah, that's the only thing. I had to get this for spring. You know, pollinate that good energy. Pollinate with that good energy since you don't want to just pollinate with our own pollination. That's kind of nasty. You don't want to get that everywhere. So just pollinate with good energies. All right, cutie girl. Oh my gosh, you're adorable. And yeah, it's the Terp collecting tee. So it's about like collecting the Terps. Right, Maya? The Terp toy unboxing video tomorrow I will be doing. And I'll probably wear this shirt for it. Ooh, it goes nice with the cream. Too bad it isn't brighter, but it's pre-washed. And it fits perfect. The medium is a perfect fit on me, especially because I'm skinny and they do like a fitted neck. So the large honestly does look weirder, but it's more comfier, but it just looks weirder. But yeah, here we go. It's perfectly fitted for my medium. I'm 5'11", skinny as fuck, as you can see. And pencil arms. Right, Maya? We gotta go enjoy the sunset, am I right? This fits fire. Ooh, and the print on the back. This one was slept on for real, bro. Hey, why'd you rub your boogers on me? This one was heavy duty slept on. I love it though, so drippy. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. I gotta shoot the preview. Yeah.